A clean car is a happy car. And right now, keeping your car clean is not just about preserving the paint and the interior life. It's also about your personal safety. With these current times, just washing the exterior is not good enough. The passenger compartment of any modern vehicle was never designed for social distancing rules. So using good cleaning supplies made for your vehicle is imperative. As often as possible, wipe down your steering wheel, shifter, and radio, along with other areas regularly touched. There is actually a cabin air filter that filters the air you breathe in the vehicle. This is typically found behind the glove box of the passenger side. Refer to your owner's manual and let's get that particular filter changed or at least cleaned. A clean and detailed car has always been a source of pride for Arkansans, but these days, keeping it that way actually can save a life. For Auto Matters, I'm Jamie Cobb.